The Tata Motors factory in Sanand, Gujarat, is a pivotal manufacturing facility for Tata Motors, one of India's leading automobile manufacturers. Inaugurated in June 2010, the plant initially focused on producing the Tata Nano, marketed as the world's cheapest car, aiming to make car ownership accessible to millions of Indian families. The Sanand plant is built on a sprawling 1,100-acre site within the Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation (GIDC) area, a significant automotive hub due to its strategic location and infrastructure. Designed as a modern, integrated facility, the plant encompasses vehicle assembly, body shop, paint shop, and other manufacturing processes under one roof, optimizing production efficiency and quality control. Over time, the facility has expanded its production capabilities to include models like the Tiago and Tiger, which align more closely with current market demands. Equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing technology, the plant plays a crucial role in Tata Motors' overall production strategy, serving both domestic and international markets. To support its manufacturing activities, Tata Motors established a comprehensive vendor park adjacent to the Sanand plant, housing several supplier companies and ensuring a seamless supply chain for components and parts used in vehicle production. The facility incorporates advanced automation technologies, enhancing precision and consistency in vehicle production, which helps maintain high standards of quality while improving production efficiency. The Sanand plant is designed with sustainability in mind, featuring solar panels for renewable energy generation and systems for efficient water and waste management. Tata Motors emphasizes environmental responsibility through these initiatives, alongside implementing green practices like rainwater harvesting and energy-efficient manufacturing processes. The factory has significantly contributed to local employment, providing jobs for thousands in the region and supporting various ancillary industries. Tata Motors places a strong emphasis on employee training and development at the Sanand plant, offering skill development programs and continuous learning opportunities to ensure the workforce is equipped with the latest industry knowledge and techniques. These efforts reflect Tata Motors' vision for growth and innovation in the automotive sector, making the Sanand plant a key component of its strategy to produce vehicles that meet global standards while contributing positively to the local economy and adhering to sustainable practices. Here are some interesting facts about Tata Motors. Tata Motors was founded in 1945 and originally manufactured locomotives before entering the automotive sector in 1954 by collaborating with Daimler-Benz to produce commercial vehicles. The company has a strong global footprint, with operations in over 175 countries and a diverse portfolio that includes cars, trucks, buses, and defense vehicles. The company is actively investing in electric vehicle (EV) technology and has launched several EV models, including the Tata Nexon EV, which has become one of India's best-selling electric cars. Tata Motors is committed to sustainability and has implemented various green initiatives, such as the use of renewable energy in its manufacturing processes and the development of fuel-efficient and low-emission vehicles.